if this is your sole method of prospecting, and for most agents it is, I recommend you do 80 to 120 hours a week, okay? Or a month. And what that means is you don't just do them Saturday and Sunday 1 to 4. You do them Saturday, Sunday from like 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. And then maybe you do them during the week from like 12 to 5 p.m. or 12 to 7 p.m. Like, and you have to put signs up all over town with sign writers. I'll My point is, you should be spending a lot of time at these. And now it's different than when I did them. Now you've got these cell phones that are smartphones that are basically an office, and you can listen to audiobooks, you can do goal setting, you can read books, you can text your clients, you can do cold calls, you can do everything in an open house that you can do in your office. And so I recommend you set up shop and just do that. So that's number one, 80 to 120 hours a month. Number two is you need to put up 30 to 40 signs per house. You say 15 to 20 signs. You need to put out 30 signs all over town, okay? And you do at least 2 major highway exits, 4 major intersections, and on every single turn that you get to the house, you put up 2 signs. And then if you have to go more than 15 to 20, 30 seconds on a straightaway, put a sign up so that they know that they didn't get lost. Now, if you're doing them during the week, especially, you need to put a little sign writer on top that says open, today, Monday, from 12 o'clock to 5 p.m. Otherwise, they're going to think you left your sign up from the weekend and you're not actually at the house. So you need to give people some direction. There's fun stuff that you can do on signs. James and I just did one 2 weeks ago. And this house is like 15 minutes on a windy road, and on there, we what we do is we say, 15 minutes, 14 minutes, 13 minutes, 12 minutes, 10, all the way down, 3, 2, 1. So that people, will follow the signs, okay? You can put stuff like horse property, city lights views. If you're offering lunch, you can say, lunch on us, come take a look at the house. It's just whatever it takes to get people to the house. So lots of signs. All right, number 3. Your goal at every single appointment is to set one rock solid appointment, okay? That's it. A rock solid appointment is an opportunity to show houses to a buyer or meeting with a seller to get their house sold or to give them a price opinion on their house.